Tuesday morning, 9 a.m. So we're getting hit again with the snow. So the van didn't have any snow on it last night. It started about an hour ago. Roads are covered. Lots of roads shut down. Interstate 80 shut down in parts. Roads going out of town are shut down. It's supposed to turn to rain in about an hour. So we'll wait and see what happens. Temperature is going up. It's 32 right now. It's kind of a heavy, wet snow. So we'll wait and see what happens. Rain should make a mess out of stuff, that's for sure. Okay then, stay frosty.